One Hot My Outdoors. And on this episode, we're at
Clifty Falls in Madison, Indiana.
that's right. We're going to show you some of the trails, some of the waterfalls here. We're also going to be cooking up lunch. So y'all stay tuned. Oh my gosh, it's cold. What a pit of hell.
Oh, God. This is like that movie. Oh, look at that. There's an open up there.
Alright, we're going to go in the tunnel here. Oh man. One of the features of the park. Oh God. Oh, don't. All right, we just walked our butts off here, getting some footage for y'all. Now it's lunchtime. We're gonna break down here. Get the cooking with the mess kit here. We're gonna have sausage and tomato pasta. Kind of like something that we had when we were kids. Moms would make it. But we're gonna jazz it up a little bit. Usually put everything in here. Got the pasta in this one. We're gonna cook it up for you.
Got it.
The first thing that we need to get done, it's gonna take the longest, is the noodles. I'll do it over the grill here. Garlic out of there. Always salt your water. I've been noticing on this stove, this thing doesn't like to start up with the button. So water's all salted. We'll get this onto the heat. It'll boil up. We're gonna get everything else chopped up and ready to go while that's boiling up over there. Cut it up a little bit. Dice it. And we'll leave it alone. We'll get this garlic crushed up here. Using the old hickory for it. Trying out these roll-up mats as well. I don't know about them. chopped up as good as we can. And go ahead and get these open. These are just regular diced tomatoes. Okay, got the water's boiling here pretty good. Go ahead and add this pasta. About that much. A little more. Let that keep cooking. We'll be back. I'm going to first cook up this garlic first. And don't take long on these little mess kit pans. They really thin metal. It's already starting. Once you get your noodles done, we're just going to go ahead and put this diced tomato in there. A little hot sauce. Some Italian seasoning, Parmesan. Italian season, salt and pepper blend, just a little bit. I'm gonna stir that up while these noodles are still hot. I'm gonna let that cook a little bit. It's just sitting here. Let that sit. Put that lid on there. Got that garlic all cooked up. Go ahead and put this sausage in here. Let it cook up. Finally got to move this thing because it gets hot, hot, hot. I'm going to get this kind of crispy. And we're going to add it to the pot. I'm going to go ahead and chunk this up. Fit in this pot a little better. Maybe a little too many noodles. Almost there, getting a little bit more crispy. It's coming out great. It smells really good. Alright, sausage is done. We're going to add it to the pot. Stir it up. We're going to add the rest of the Parmesan into this. Try not to get all the fat from it on there. Get all that garlic and good stuff in there. Stir it up. It looks good. It smells really good. I'm getting it everywhere though. And just a little bit more of this Italian mix. Some more Parmesan on top of it. We're going to put it back onto the cooker for just a little bit. And we're getting ready to eat. Everything's done. I'm going to serve it up. Came out great. Looks really good. That pot is still hot. It's all right. Came out good. Well, we got it all done. Got the sausage, tomato, onions all together. Kind of like something Mom would make back in the day, but we jazzed it up a little bit. Hope you enjoy all the footage that we got. It was definitely a hike for it all, definitely. But it's past lunchtime and we're really hungry, so we're gonna start eating. Hope you all enjoy, and you have a good one.